Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to start with reviewing our vowel sounds. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. A, safe, a. E, ed, e. E, peat, e. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. O, octopus, ah. O, home, o. U, up, U, mule, u. U, rule, u. Excellent. So we're going to take just a little bit of time today to complete another activity in our wind notebook. So we're going to pretend that we have our wind notebook in front of us. You can put your date at the top so your teacher can see. And then on my first line, we are going to write the numbers 1, 2, and 3 because these are our sounds. I am not going to put the answers on the board today. I want you to send your answers to your teacher so they can see what you have done all on your own. Number 1, the sound is ch, ch. Number 2, I. If you need to, use this poster for help. I. And think about how is that I going to say its name? Don't forget that part. How is that I going to say its name? And number 3, A. How is the A going to say its name? All right, on the next line, we are going to just write number 1 and number 2, and you'll need a little bit more room for number 1, so I'm going to scoot number 2 over for the next one. Number 1, swipe, swipe. These are review words, so tap the sounds and swipe. Swipe, swipe. Don't forget, we really want that I to say its name. Number 2, globe, globe. Tap the sounds in globe. G, l, o, b. Globe. Don't forget, the O needs to say its name. Go ahead and mark both of those words. Make sure you're scooping, marking anything. Mark your vowels, also your syllables. And then we're going to write number 1 and number 2 again on the next line. Number 1 is one of our words from this week, picnic, picnic. Divide it into its syllables. Think about my syllable frames here. Picnic, picnic. Scoop each part of the word. Scoop each syllable. Make sure you scooped each syllable. You mark the vowels and mark your syllables. Number 2, expect, expect. Make sure you're dividing it into its syllables and sounding out each part if you need to. Expect, expect. Be careful with the second part of this word. P-e-c-t. There's a sound in there that's hard to hear. Okay, make sure you've marked both of your syllables. Make sure you've marked both of your vowels, that you've scooped those syllables, and that you've marked them. I have 2 trick words on the next line. Your next line is going to look exactly the same way. Number 1, each, each. Mark it by circling. Number 2, down, down. Also mark that trick word by circling it. And we have one sentence and we'll be all done for today. If you're not ready, just press pause. I'm just going to write number 1 on the last line for my sentence. Repeat after me. We're not going to write yet, just repeat. The chipmunk hid in the grass. The chipmunk hid in the grass. All right, so let's go back to the beginning of that sentence. Make sure you're starting your sentence with a capital letter. Chipmunk, divide it into its syllables. You can go ahead and mark as you go, or you can go back and mark at the end. Either way is fine. The chipmunk hid in the grass. The chipmunk hid in the grass. Go ahead and mark. You should have 3 trick words that you are circling. Circle those 3 trick words. Be sure you have a capital letter and punctuation at the end. Take a picture and send it to your teacher.